and welcome back to day 15 of the Joel and Michelle vlog series Summer to Remember. Now, while you might notice, I'm already dressed, but that's because today we had to wake up really early, and fortunately I woke up a little bit late, so I didn't have time to do nearly any video stuff. Today is also a relatively special day because today we are going horseback riding. The majority of us. There's only a couple of the guys that aren't going, but I decided I wanted to go, and well, hopefully I get some good video with that. Fingers crossed. Right, so after one of probably the bumpiest road trips that I've been on in quite a while, here we are. If I adjust the exposure, you can see we are at the, well, horse riding place. I'm not exactly sure what you would call a place like this, because I know a normal place that houses horses would be like a horse corral or a stable or something like that, but nope. These are all trained horses that are ready to go for other people to ride, so I'm not really sure how much I'll be able to film while I'm actually riding, so, whatever comes next, I guess. Right then, so we just got done with our horseback ride, which was about an hour, roughly. With how much I enjoyed it, I was kind of bummed out to find out it was only an hour midway through the trip, but either way, that was absolutely amazing. This just encourages my want for a horse. But anyways, with that, we're going to get back in the car and hit the road. Right then, and with that, there is day 15 of the Joel and Michelle vlog series Summer to Remember, and I have a couple things that I ended up getting today that I'll go ahead and show you guys. So the first thing here is just sort of like a little cover for a table. Has a bison there on the front. My apologies if I keep on looking around. There are mosquitoes literally everywhere. And then this was a little bit pricey, $25, but it's really, really nice. I think it'll end up making a nice piece. And then here is a cup. It says the Longhorn. This is the RV park that we are at. And then inside, there's a lot more stuff. Yellowstone sticker. Here is a Yellowstone utility knife. And then here is the same utility knife, but this is for the Grand Teton National Park. And they both have my name on it. And then here is, actually this is something I showed you guys yesterday. It's the American flag switchblade. And then here is two little stickers that I ended up getting today. Both of them say Grand Teton National Park, but they are a little bit of a different design. But one of these will end up going on my Jeep most likely. And then here, this was actually a present for, or is a present for my dad and his wife, because they collect these little sort of magnetic bear thingies, and this one says I love Wyoming. And then here's a little bullet that has a little knife that pops out of it. And these are actually two things that I got a couple days ago, but I ended up losing. And this one I think I got today, but it's one of those, it's another gift for my dad and his wife. And it says Grand Teton National Park. And with that, there's everything that I ended up getting today and I believe yesterday. But with that, I was Joel Homie, your guys' host for episode 15 of the Joel Homie Show vlog series, Summer to Remember. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it,